welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari.
Whoa.
I know.
I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone.
And
today's video is going to be a little different. We are going to give you guys examples of some things that we have learned from you in our comment section. So I've talked about a lot the fact that I love when people interact. I love engagement. I love seeing what you guys have to say, all that kind of stuff. I read every single comment. I try to comment to all of them. And it just makes my whole day. But one of my favorite things is that we have actually learned a ton of stuff from you guys. Now, we're only going to be sharing a small sample of what we have learned, what I was able to gather in like a 10-minute period. But we have learned so many different things, and I'm grateful to all of you guys for everything you've taught us, and I hope that I continue to learn with you guys. Like, it's just so much fun for me. I enjoy it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
He's not a super big community person, but I am. So, anyways, if you guys like this type of video, if you like to see reseller content, haul videos, and what sold videos, and all that type of stuff, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, click the little notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And yeah, if you have tips or things that you know that we clearly don't know, because there's a lot of that, make sure you comment in the comments down below. We will definitely be reading them, and all of that stuff is super helpful. Also, if there is types of videos you would like to see in the future, make sure that you tell us, because we are always looking to do what you want to see, not just what we want to film.
Right.
So, I think that's everything I had to say there. So do we want to get into some of the comments?
Yeah. First one is keywords and different things.
Yes. So Galaxy Vines, which she also has a channel, and we did a collab with her recently. I will put the link to that collab up above. But she gives us little like aesthetics, I guess.
Yeah. Fairy Kai, Goblin Core.
Yeah.
Which is related to cottage core, which I say all the time.
Yeah, so Fairy Kai was actually really recent. We had put in a haul, I believe it was like a 90s pastel sweater. So I did want to read to you guys what the different aesthetics were, because I think it's important that you understand. So I will pop these somewhere on the screen if I can.
And by we, she means me.
I do. So Fairy Kai is a celebration of pastels and neon pastels, taking its lead from 80s cartoons such as My Little Pony, Rainbow Bright, and Care Bears. So it's like very like pink and purple. It's very bright. So it definitely fit that sweater for sure, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely that. Goblin Core, which was related to cottage core, because we've been kind of feeling the whole prairie, Little House on the Prairie cottage core aesthetic. Goblin Core apparently is in the, would you say same family?
Well, it's an
family.
aesthetic. It's the same word family, but it's a completely different genre. It's dirty, grubby, grimy, rocks, mud.
Yeah, so it says Goblin
Twigs.
Core is an aesthetic which is similar to Dragon Core. Goblin Core celebrates aspects of nature that most would find ugly or dirty, ranging from animals such as frogs and snails to materials such as moss, mud, plants, and fungus such as mushrooms.
It's probably the frog sweater that you sold.
I mean, well, but that was bright colored.
Yeah, but it was still...
Oh, no, the dark green one.
Yeah.
Kind of grungy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was picturing more like distressed clothing or like
looking like you're homeless. Nice. That's really...
I like distressed jeans. I was just thinking of that. But anyway, so she's really good about that. I do have a friend on Instagram that does really good with that as well. But yeah, we don't know these things. So those are so fun to learn. And I did put Fairy Kai in the title of that sweater. So excited.
Designer glasses.
Oh, so back when we received the designer box, we had
The
received...
disaster designer box?
Yes. Oh, goodness, that nightmare. But we had received Chanel sunglasses, and we had actually received a question about what size they were. And we had kind of said, like, what do you mean? How do I measure sunglasses? And somebody actually gave us a really great, helpful tip. Of course, after I
Sold them.
Yeah, after I'd already sold them. So I couldn't use it, but now I have this saved. So with most designer sunglasses, there should be a size on one of the temples, like 120, 125, or 130 next to the style number or brand name. Now, granted, I would probably have to look up what those numbers stand for. I don't know. Do you?
No.
No, I don't know if it means like, I don't know. I'm not even going to make it up. So I don't know, but I'm sure that if I looked those numbers up, I would actually be able to find some type of a size, and maybe people that are looking for their size would already know what number they would be.
I mean, you would figure if you know what your size is, you can match it up.
You would think, right? I mean, I don't know if it's different, like with all women's fashion, where a size...
That's the most asinine part of women's fashion. Can I just say that right now? Y'all sizing needs to be fixed by someone and standardized, and uniform across everything.
Yeah.
Take a page out of men's clothing. Pants are inches around in length. It's not hard.
That was actually a funny little short anecdote. I was actually wearing a pair of jeans yesterday, and I thought I had lost way too much weight because they are a size 6 jeans, and that's the lower end of jeans for me, and they're huge. I'm wearing jeans today that are a size 8 that are not loose. So it's just brand stink. So it's just that. So fun. Anyways, next one.
Cleaning tips. So the one that you have highlighted is Scotch Essentials White Mark Eraser.
Yes. So I didn't mention who the last person was. That last commenter was Patty. These comments will probably be on your screen if my husband can figure that out. But yes, Andrea Alvarado said that Scott Essentials White Mark Eraser was great for deodorant stains. The funny thing is, she commented this on a video of an item we had received. It's a Madewell dress that has deodorant stains on it. And we had said then, oh, we're going to do a video and we're going to test it out and it's going to be this great thing. It's not that we didn't share it with you guys. It's still in my needs to be cleaned pile. So don't think we forgot about you. We just, it's in there. It's in there. So who does the cleaning and then broadcasts it all the time?
How is it my responsibility to do all the cleaning?
You were really excited about trying that. We just also haven't ordered the white mark eraser. So
yeah.
I'm going to do that after this video.
W equals women's.
Oh, this one I felt so bad about. This was towards the beginning of our YouTube thing. Yeah, I had said, it was a Joe Mar box. I had actually said 18W on a size of clothing was wide for women's because I was thinking of shoes. And I had never seen women's notated with a W. Women's was just always women's. I don't know. So yeah, I felt really bad about that. And I still feel bad about that. So Eve Evans, thank you for telling me that because now I don't say it even when I see shoes because now I'm terrified that I'm going to say something horrible and that's just not what I mean. But yes, so if you ever see a W on clothing, it is likely denoting women's and not wide. So there is that.
Next is the global shipping program.
Okay.
Returns.
So I'm just going to reiterate again, if you guys have not watched my eBay video.
Global shipping program is dope.
It is one of my favorite things when it comes to eBay. I enjoy selling things overseas. That just makes me happy just to know.
That's great.
And then they also have a program sorted out that you send your item to Kentucky and then they take care of all of the overseas handling, customs and all of that.
Yeah.
So it comes out to like $8 usually to ship pretty much anything. So it's great. But this just made it even better. So this person, let me give you her name, Gypsy Thread, said, if you ever get a global shipping return, eBay will cover it 100% because the item goes to their warehouse, it's opened, repackaged by their employees. So if the buyer says item not as described or broken, eBay employees were the last to handle the item. As soon as they open the case, contact eBay, they will refund the buyer at no cost to you. That is amazing. First of all, I don't think Poshmark does that, even though they have like Posh Authenticate and things like that. They, even if it goes through them, they still do not incur the cost if something were to go wrong, even if they were the one to cause the issue. And yes, that is a problem. Not getting into that right now. But the fact that eBay does that, even if it's something that maybe we missed, but because they were the last to handle it, they are going to assume a liability, that's amazing.
That's great.
Like that makes me feel a lot better knowing that, just knowing that it hits so many hands along the way.
There's some level of accountability, which is nice. Because oftentimes companies will just say, too bad, so sad for you.
Yeah, and when things go through customs, it hits so many people along the way that it's so hard to know. I mean, certain things you'll know, but some of it's so hard. So that does give me some breathing room and just more reasons to love the global shipping program. If you're not on eBay and you're not doing it, turn it on, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Last one is the brands that you learn.
Yeah, so this, obviously, we've learned way more brands from you guys than what we have down here. But every time we open like a ThredUp box or a Joe Mar box or any of those boxes, you guys tend to know these brands better than we do. And I am so grateful to you for that because you also motivate me to list items when you tell me they're worth money. So, where are a few of them that we have?
Well, there's Pedro Garcia from the shoebox.
Oh, yeah. So somebody literally wrote just money signs. Pedro Garcia and then money signs, and I listed that immediately, and it sold for $90?
$80, $90, yeah.
Yeah, somewhere around there. So thank you for that.
American Giant.
American Giant. Yeah. At least 5 of you, commented that that was a good brand. I had never heard of it. Apparently Becky on Posh I think was her name. Talked about it in a video, so everyone knew about it. We didn't. But again, sold for,
Out
I
of the
don't even
loop.
remember.
It's like 40, $50.
40, $50, and it sold fast.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Cookie Johnson.
Oh, Cookie
Jeans?
Johnson is actually Magic Johnson's wife's brand, and
And-
it's sold on HSN.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I didn't know that. Again, sold, all of these actually sold on eBay. That's weird.
And then the row.
And then they're out. Again, sold on eBay.
How do you not want to know about the row? Buy all of the things that are the row.
Yeah.
If you can find them.
So when I had opened the designer box, I had said, I don't even know what the row is. I don't know if it's considered designer. I don't know. And you guys were like, girl.
Y'all got a little bit up in our business about that.
Yeah, you were like, girl, this is worth more than Gucci. What do you mean not designer? Also, somebody told me that it's a Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen brand, and as someone who stayed them for a very long time as a child, I'm very ashamed that I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
you should be.
But now that I know, I actually do have a pair of the Row shoes up right now on my closet for like $300, and they're beautiful, and I'm so grateful that I learned that brand, because when those sell, I'm gonna be so happy.
I'm gonna be more happy when the Chanel jacket sells.
It is up.
I know.
If you guys want to see that Chanel jacket, I am not asking any of you to buy it, but if you just want to see it, to look at it and gawk at it, it is on my Poshmark closet. I've only listed it on Poshmark because I am terrified of getting scammed and frauded and everything. But yes, it is up. So that is that. So those are 6 categories of things that we have learned from you guys in our comment section, and
Yeah.
I am certain that we are going to continue to learn more. So if you guys like this,
we need to do another video this time next year with 6 new tips.
yeah, so if you like
Or
this,
60
let us
things.
know that. We
Yeah.
can continue to do this type of thing and do like part 1, part 2, whatever, because that would be kind of fun.
Yeah, a
Yeah.
series.
And also, put in the comments if you want us to do that, trying out the removing deodorant marks, because if you tell us to do it, we're very much more likely to do it.
If you tell her to do it, she's likely to make me do it.
Exactly what I mean. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help us and lets YouTube know that we are the type of video that they should be promoting. So do that for us, and we will be back really soon with a new video.
Thank you for watching.